Hi folks, this is Mary. I'd like to show you this Winnebago. This is a 2022. It's a 59K. There's a lot of great features that I'd like to show you on the inside of this van. So as you can see, you start with this screen here. It does open on the edge, so you have this nice pass through. You can keep it in the zipped position all the time and just walk through there, so that's great. Then as we come in here, we've got nice leather seats, beautiful front cab there, and overhead storage. Right now they have this rolled up here. This is the blackout screen for the front. You've got these really nice lights here. It looks really light in here because the lights and the colors on this unit are very bright, so it doesn't feel closed in or anything. Nice cabinets up top. Then you've got 2-burner stove top here and lots of counter space all through here. This is a sink with a faucet that turns, and you've got your microwave, shelves underneath, and your refrigerator. Got really nice pull-out drawers here too. And as we're going back this way, you can see that there's 2 different beds here, which is really helpful. You can make this out into a full queen-size bed, or you can keep them separate, which is really helpful if you need to pass through here, go to the bathroom, or have something large like a bicycle in this way. I wanted to also mention these windows have blackout screens too, so you can keep it in the private position, or you can open this window and have a bug screen. And these windows are they're just designed these really well. They're easy to maneuver. And then look up above, you've got all this storage around here. You can put a lot of gear in all of these. They open up really easy, and there's a lot of storage in there. And then I wanted to mention the TV. This pulls out and can rotate, and you've got a really nice JBL sound bar underneath there. So let's go ahead and look at the bathroom. So this is a rear bath, so you get more space in here to move around. As you can see, there's more elbow space. And you've got your faucet right here for your shower head. Your sink pulls down. Isn't that cute? And you've got a medicine cabinet right here, and then shelving, and then shelving right here. So you can store a lot of things in here. You've got a pull-out drawer here. And this shower curtain actually wraps around. So you're gonna be able to close these doors, wrap the shower curtain around to protect all of this, and you're gonna be enclosed, and so the water's not gonna get everywhere. And then I wanted to show you, there is an outside shower here. So you have a like hose right here, storage. It goes back there further, then you can do an outside shower. And then there is this bar right here that you can actually attach right here. So this actually can come across, make a little bar. So basically, if you wanted to come back, if you're coming back from the beach, you could strap this bar here and have just an outside shower. So that's really nice. So my name is Mary. Please give me a call if you'd like to see this van or anything else on our lot. My number is 406-850-4590. Look forward to working with you.